Long time no see. Let's celebrate our reunion. After the COVID-19 pandemic, we should rediscover the joy of nature. So we made a titanium, ultra-lightweight, and budget-friendly pocket knife. Look, it's this knife. Let's take a look at how such a lightweight pocket knife is made. We quickly made 2 cardboard box samples, one perforated and one not. Clearly, the perforated one is lighter. To achieve more precise openings, we have located an advanced CNC factory for high-precision TI handle cutting. Create the handle to be as delicate as a work of art. Outdoor knife prone to dirt. Due to the perforated design of the handle, it can be easily cleaned with a simple rinse. After reviewing it, how do you feel? This ultra-lightweight EDC pocket knife, I believe, will bring an extraordinary experience to my outdoor adventures and home life.